So the first application is TextPan. With the help of this application, you can easily send huge text in a little shortcut. For example, if I want to send my friend my channel link, I can just press this YT link, so it can easily paste my text here, and then as you can see the text is pasted. So I'm gonna go to this application. If I want to send my Discord link to my friend, I'm gonna first type what do I need to send here. This not only works for links, this works for almost everything. So this is my Discord link, and I'm gonna keep a little shortcut like Discord link, okay, or D-link, or anything you can keep. That's your wish. I'm gonna keep Discord link, and I'm gonna quit it. Then I'm gonna go to another text application. Then you can see when I type my Discord link, see this pops up, and I can easily keep it here. So this actually is a better shortcut for typing in huge text and turning them into little codes. So this is very useful app. I'm gonna give the link. So the next application is remove.bg. With the help of this application, you can easily remove background of any kinds of photos within 5 seconds. Just gonna select the photo and upload it here, and within a few seconds the app gonna remove the background perfectly without a single mark. So this application is free on Play Store. You can download it from the link. So the next application is Colorize. With the help of this application, you can turn your black and white photos into color photos. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So it gives you 10 colorizations. Then you need to purchase, but you can always uninstall and reinstall to get unlimited colorizations. So you need to choose your image that you want to turn into a color photo. So I'm gonna choose this black and white lion image, but it takes some time to take it from color to take it from black and white to color photo, so it might take a few seconds. So here, as you can see, it turned the black and white photo into a color photo. Like this app, link is in the description. It's free from Play Store. So the next application is Smash. With the help of this application, you can transfer your photos or files or documents or anything to another person very easily. So this application has unlimited file limit, so you can transfer as many files you want. It turns all the apps into a zip file, and the zip file can be downloaded via a link. So it will give you a link, and you can send the link to any person, so the other person can also access the link from the PC or Mac. It supports every devices. Hope you like this app. Let's go into next one. So the next application is Click to Chat. With the help of this application, you can easily send to WhatsApp messages to any number without feeding their contacts. So just open the app and paste the number which you want to send to, then press open, and then just click WhatsApp, and as you can see here, it automatically opens the number's WhatsApp contact, and you can chat with easily. So you don't need to feed their WhatsApp number to chat with them. I hope you like this app. Let's go into the next one. So the next application is SplitCloud. With the help of this application, you can listen to two different songs at single time. So if you have one earphone and two different persons who wants to listen to two different songs, this is the right solution. So on an earphone, at one earbud it plays one song, and another earbud plays another song. So you can easily open the app and choose which song you want. So it has almost all the songs. It has Spotify songs all connected. So in one earbud I chose one song, and in another earbud I chose another song. You can easily search. Almost all the songs are available here, and you can simply select, just as you can see here, both songs. And when you press play, you can play this at the same time. See, and on the both earbuds they will be playing on two different songs. So I hope you like this app. Let's go to the next app. So the next application is Style Shortcuts. With the help of this app, you can easily save any shortcuts to your notifications, just like this. If I want to use calculator, simply I would go to my notifications and press this button. So this not only works for any calculator, it works for all apps. Let me show you. Just install the app and open it, then press this plus app, and then you can select what app you want. You can also keep shortcuts to websites and any links. So I'm gonna simply select one application which I want to. I'm going to select YouTube, As you can see, you can also use custom icons, and you can also download icons from internet and use them. So I'm gonna select this symbol, and there is also extra features like when you click it, it vibrates, and the colored icons, but the colored icons only works on some phones. So you simply press OK. Then you need to go, if you are using, this is for MIUI phones, I mean this, you can use this app on any phones, but I'm going to show you how to use it on MIUI phones. Just go to your notifications and press edit and select this, that will be named as style to as default. Then you can hold it and you need to drag it to upside, and you can place wherever you want. Then press done, and when you come back to the home screen, as you can see, when I click this, YouTube opens. So as you can see here, it might take 2 seconds to open the shortcut, but it actually opens. So this is the, let's go to the next. So the next application is Billboard. With the help of this application, I can easily manage all my digital subscriptions, and I can have a total clarity on how much money is going through these subscriptions. And this application also reminds me at which date my subscription ends, and let me show you how to add one. So I'm gonna add one Disney Hotstar and subscription. You can easily press by add, and then you can name the price of the subscription. It is, for me it is $4.99, and you can also change the currency. For me it is Indian rupee, and here you go. And you can add a description like any media app, and you can add any description, and you can choose to remind at how many days you want to be reminded before the subscription takes the money. So I'm gonna press 5 days before, and the repeat option is also coming soon, and press done and press add. That's it. It reminds you when the subscription ends. Hope you like this app. Let's go into the next. So the next application is Selection. We use our notification bar in different ways. So with the help of this application, you can easily copy any type of text into your notification bar as a reminder or a note. Just copy the text which you want and put it in your notification bar. That's it. As you can see here, the text which I will copied will be there in the notification bar, so it will be as a reminder. So the copy thing doesn't work in some apps, so you can, if you want to make it as a reminder, you can just type it here. So I'm gonna type a normal reminder. So as you can see, when you press the notification button, the reminder will go on the notification bar. So this is a very useful app to keep a little reminders, so keep an eye on the little notes in your notification bar. So this might be useful. This app is absolutely free, but you need to buy through premium to get the unlimited features. There are only 15 selections, which means only there are 15 times you can do this copy and to notification thing. Then you need to pay $1 to the developer to get unlimited selections. I hope you like this app. Let's go into the next. So the next application is Handwriter. Handwriter is an app which turns your typed text into written text. It is very useful for students because they can easily submit their huge assignments while written. You can simply turn your text into written and you can easily print them. But this app is too complicated to tell. I'm gonna just give a little demo. See, I have typed some text here, and you can see you can easily press the generate button, and I'm gonna give it a little name. I'm gonna give it demo 3, and as you can see on the home page, there is the demo which I have created. So as you can see, you can send this file to your devices, and you can share this file to your WhatsApp and other sharing platforms. So there is different fonts, and there is different things you can do with this handwriter. Not only this type of handwriting, I'm gonna give some tutorials in the link, because this app is a little bit complicated to understand, so you can watch those tutorials to understand the app very clearly. Let's go into the next one. So the next application is SoundSearch. This is more like a widget. For some phones it will be a widget, but if you can't find this in your widgets, I can give this Play Store link. So this application scans the audio song which you're hearing to. Let me show you an example. On my computer, I'm playing Sneaky Snitch by Kevin MacLeod, which is a non-copyrighted song. I'm just gonna open the app and play this so you can observe it. So as you can see, this is how the app works. This app scans the songs and tells which song you're listening to. I hope you like this app. Let's go into the next one. So the next application is Multi-App Uninstaller. I want to tell you that there are too many Android apps in my phone which I don't even personally use some of them. So instead of uninstalling one by one, we can uninstall that at a single time. So with the help of this application, Multi-App Uninstaller, we can uninstall at a single time. You don't even worry, this app is only 1 MB of your Android space, so don't even consider it an app, just consider it as a widget. So you can just click them and you can just click them on uninstall. I'm gonna select a little bit. I'm gonna select this app. Sorry, not this. I'm gonna select this application and this application and this application. I'm gonna press uninstall. Then easily it uninstalls very quickly. Just 1, 2, 3. In 3 taps, those applications have been uninstalled. So hope you like this app. Let's go into the next one. So the next application, Bluetooth audio widget. With the help of this application, you can create shortcuts for your Bluetooth devices. So for me to connect a Bluetooth device, I need to go to Bluetooth and select my devices from the device list in my phone. Some of you people may have a bunch of devices list, but with the help of this app, you can easily create widgets on your home screen for your individual audio devices. So this app might be useful if you want to save time on selecting the Bluetooth device from your widget. So just go to the widget screen and drag which one of the Bluetooth device you want. So you can simply pin it from the app itself. There will be ads because the developer needs money. So this app might be useful to you. Let's go into the next one. So the next application which I want to suggest and the last application is SnapMod. This app is very cool because it decorates your screenshots. It puts your screenshots into phone. Let me show you a quick example. So there are a ton of models, different types of mobiles are here. Let me just select a single mobile. OnePlus, Apple is cool. Let me just select iPhone 8, iPhone X. So I selected this app, and when you press on this app and if you can select your screenshot and press save, would you look at that? And when you go to your gallery and you can find your screenshot in your iPhone 10. It looks very cool, right? Hope you like this app. So this application converts the screenshots into mobile screenshots. I hope you understand my language. So if you like this app, it's free. You can download it from Play Store. So let's go to the outro. So that's the end of the video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you want more app related videos like this, don't forget to tell me in the comments, because it is too hard to make these videos without anybody liking these videos. There is no use for me to making this kind of app related videos. But if you do like it, and tell me in the comments. If you want more tech related videos, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. And that's the end. Goodbye.